Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Transit. So let's just go back to radio, turn that down. So from any screen, you've got phone there, you've got menu up at the top here. If I go to menu, you've got sync settings, sync applications, and I always go to use this the volume control, but we need to be using these arrows. So you see there, that takes you down the menu. If you go to phone, you see there searching for best paired phones. So there's nothing paired at the moment. If you click there, these correspond to the bottom. These bottom buttons correspond to the instructions on the bottom of the screen. Add, delete, connect. So that's add, delete, connect. So anyway, we'll go back to menu, and then we'll go to sync settings. You've got Bluetooth on. If you're having trouble setting or pairing your Bluetooth to the vehicle, then make sure there's a tick in that Bluetooth on, and then we just go down to Bluetooth devices. There's an arrow at the side. Click the arrow at the side or the arrow that way, and then I just want to go down to Barry's phone, and that's my phone highlighted. At the bottom you can see add, delete, connect and master. So we want to delete it, so click delete. Delete Barry's iPhone, and then you've got yes there and no there. No if you change your mind, yes if you want to get rid. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Transit. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, onto settings, onto Bluetooth, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. Now, if I click on phone, it's got add or cancel. There's no phones paired at the moment, so it's allowing me to add one. Click add.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So that's a bit loud. So sync's come up there, so we select sync.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
320489 pair, so yes it does, and we just click. You've got yes there and no there, so yes it matches. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Sync connected, so it's showing, and then Barry's
For your
iPhone.
safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Download phone book, I don't want to do that because I won't be using this again. That's it, that's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2018 Ford Transit. So the phone is already paired to the vehicle, so if we now go to music, click music there, there's a record playing. It's turned down at the moment, but if you click there sync at the bottom, that shows you've got a choice between iPhone and sync. So there's a tick next to sync. That means anything that plays on this phone, any audio from a YouTube video, from Spotify, from Amazon Prime Music, and from iTunes, so long as this is set right or the correct buttons are clicked, then it will play. So it's playing, we go to the music, over to the system, and you've got your auxiliary button here, 4 buttons down, auxiliary. Again, I'm going to turn this down. I just have to wait for the screen to go back, click auxiliary, and that's it. That's the record it's playing. If I turn this up now, actually I'm going to have to click play there, but if I turn this up now, that music on my phone will be playing through these speakers. So we'll turn this up, and then I'll turn this up quickly. So that's it, that's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2018 Ford Transit from any screen here. Actually, I'm going to turn that down, otherwise music will play when I try and show you. So any screen, onto nav, click nav. You've got there zoom, move, stop, mute. So I'm just going to click stop actually, because it was already navigating me to a place. So that's the route. Then we want destination input. Again, we use these arrows, not this volume control. So arrows, destination input, click OK. city and postcode, that's what we want, so we click OK. And then again, I'm going for this volume control, but you use the arrows. So we want Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, so that's P. So you select the letter and then click OK. We need numbers now. The numbers come up at the bottom, 5. This one, even though we've only got 2 digits, we don't have to put a space in. Some you do, so be careful of that, or be mindful if you get to the first 2 letters and then 1 number, and it won't let you go any further. It's because you need to put a space in, then another number, and then the last letters. So select 4, and then up to J. Oops. So PR5, 4J. The last one is S. Click S. PR5, 4JS. That's the one we want. And you've got OK, keyboard, backspace or cancel. Click OK. And then we click start. You've got start store, coordinates and map. Click start. Eco. I just want to get there. I don't want, it's like having a test in an exam.
Continue to follow the road.
That's it. That's how you do it.